Ready to boost your Clash Royale game with a Visa gift card? First, let's add that Visa gift card to your Google Play account. Open the Google Play Store app on your Android device. Tap the menu icon, those three horizontal lines in the top left corner, then scroll down and select Payment Methods. Now tap Add Credit or Debit Card. This is where you'll enter your Visa gift card information. Carefully type in the 16-digit card number, the expiration date, and the CVV security code from the back of your Visa gift card. Make sure all the information is accurate. Next, you'll need to enter the billing address associated with your Visa gift card. This is crucial, so use the address that was registered with the gift card when it was purchased. Once your Visa gift card is added, launch Clash Royale now. Tap on the games icon at the top of the screen. Choose the gem pack you want to buy. A Google Play pop-up will appear asking you to confirm your purchase. Confirm the purchase. Your Visa gift card will be charged, and those shiny new gems will be added to your Clash Royale account. And that's it. You're now ready to use your Visa gift card to enhance your Clash Royale experience. Enjoy dominating the arena.